For 30 years, websites were built exclusively for human eyes. A person typed a query, read a page, and clicked a button. Today, a new class of automated traffic is bypassing that reading process and interacting directly with website infrastructure. AI agents are now autonomously browsing the internet and executing tasks on behalf of users. Software like Google's Chrome Auto Browse and OpenAI's Atlas are reading this transition. Chrome Auto Browse is an experimental, Gemini-powered feature that completes tasks for you, while Atlas is a recent system designed with full-task agentic browsing capabilities. This animated diagram shows the operational difference. On the left, a human navigates by reading content and deciding what to do. On the right, an AI agent parses the site's code and then strikes directly at an execution point, like a conversion form. Currently, these agents struggle with standard visual interfaces. Because traditional sites do not explicitly state their functions to machines, the agents must rely on screen scraping techniques and guessing which button triggers which action to complete a task. This dual user reality means your website must be engineered for machine execution alongside human readability. Sites that forced AI agents to guess their layout will lose out on a rapidly growing pipeline of automated traffic. The primary technical solution to this problem is the Web Model Context Protocol, or WebMCP. WebMCP is a proposed browser-level standard being developed jointly by Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and the W3C. The W3C is the World Wide Web Consortium, the main international standards organization for the Internet. WebMCP eliminates the need for screen scraping. It allows a website to explicitly announce its capabilities to AI agents as structured, callable functions, turning your site from something an agent has to interpret into something it can simply use. This logic tree shows two paths. The left route adds semantic HTML attributes to static forms, translating input fields for agents. The right branch shows JavaScript registration, using navigator.modelContext to programmatically expose tools for complex actions, like surfacing checkout tools after item selection. Neither of these integration paths requires you to rebuild your existing website from scratch. Both methods run inside the Browser tab and inherit your existing authentication flows. Implementing WebMCP shifts the competitive battleground from mere visibility to pure usability. Success now depends on whether an AI can actually complete a user's task once it arrives on your site. This architectural diagram shows the specific sequence brands must build today to become agent-ready. You cannot skip steps. It starts with a foundational layer of technical SEO, search engine optimization, ensuring your site has clean structure, proper input labels, and high crawlability. The middle layer is AI visibility. To be used by an agent, your brand must first be cited in top-of-funnel answers by platforms like ChatGPT and Perplexity. Perplexity is an AI-powered conversational search engine that directly answers queries using web sources. The final layer is WebMCP execution. This acts as the conversion point where the AI finally utilizes the tools your brand has declared, enabled entirely by the underlying technical structure. Brands should begin their transition immediately by auditing high-value site actions, like contact pages and product searches, to ensure they use clean HTML. Simultaneously, establish your current AI visibility baseline to see where your brand ranks in agent responses. This mirrors the historical rollout of mobile responsive design. Brands that adopted their sites early captured massive distribution advantages that compounded over time, while late movers scrambled after mobile traffic had already scaled. This trend line graph illustrates that dynamic. With mainstream browser support for WebMCP expected in late 2026, building an agent-ready site today secures a compounding, long-term competitive advantage.
That was a lot. Do you want your business to show up on AI searches? DM me or use the link below to schedule a call. Happy to answer any questions.